In this video, I will guide you on how to get free things on Shein. If you want to get free things on Shein, then the best way is through the Shein's official free trial center. To access that, open the Shein app, make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Here find the option of free trial center. Now browse the available pool of products. You can apply for at least 3 items per week. Choose your size, double check your shipping address, then click submit. Shein uses an automated system to pick winners based on account activity. Check My Application to see if your status changes from pending to approved. If you win, the item ships completely free. Once the item arrives, you have 10 days to post a detailed review. It must include a full body shot and at least 2 detailed photos of the item. If you skip this step, you will be banned from winning future trials. With this method, you can easily get free things on Shein. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.